Hi neighbors, the final part and perhaps the most important part is replacing the HEPA filter. This is a filter that we got off a vacuum bag. You've got to be really careful, make sure you use ones that don't have any glass fibers in them. This here is a little filter tray and it works on the principle of friction. So if we look here on this tray, there's little buttons, and they fit into small little recesses, little holes on the inside of the mask. With this HEPA particular filter, you want to put the black side out. There it is, we lay it on there, and then take the filter tray, align it pretty well, press it till it snaps. I think you kind of heard that. And there we go. It's just really quite as simple as that. If you like, you can take a scissors, not required, but you can take a scissors and trim some of the excess off here. Ideally, this should be replaced pretty frequently. You may notice that with these filters, it's a little bit difficult to breathe. It takes a bit of getting used to because it does definitely reduce the airflow somewhat. And there we have it. There we have the mask.